Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Honestly, I'm really happy to make this video today because we've hit 100 subscribers. Wow, that is really a turn up for me, guys. Seriously, I need to thank you guys so much for being part of this journey. Each and every one of you means a lot to me, and I am excited to keep growing with all of you. I promise I will keep making a better content for you guys, and I will keep improving on my editing and all that I'm giving to you. So guys, thank you very much. God bless you all, and let's take this channel up and support ourselves. So with that being said, in today's video I will be making a video about how to access 1688. In the last video, if you check, I did a video on how to log in on Taobao site. Make sure you watch this video before you proceed with this 1688, because without this Taobao, without you having access to this Taobao, you can't get access to 1688. Now, the first thing we want to do now is come to our browser here and type in 1688. Just type in 1688 login. Once you click enter, the first link will be here. Just click on it. Once you've access to this interface, for the phone users, you can just go at the top right corner of your phone and you will see where you can input when you can translate your site to English. But as for PC users, just right click and come down here, you will see translate to English. Now click on it and it's going to translate as you have seen. Now the next thing you want to do now is come to this. You see this 1688 written in a big way. Just click on it. After clicking on it, it's going to load and come to this interface. Now once you get here, what you want to do now is, you see this login at the left corner of your screen. Just click on it and it's going to load it up for you. Now since you already have your Taobao login with you, what you want to do now is come here and you input it. Your own Taobao will be this is my own Taobao details. Your own will be, it's going to start from TB, that is Taobao, and the password you used in logging in, this is where we are going to be needing it. So I'll click on mine now and it's going to load. Let me input my PIN. Now once it's loaded, you click on login. Now there's a lot to show you in this 1688 site. Now if you can see, there are a lot of products here, tons of products, amazing products that you can start purchasing and selling. But before you start making any choice of your product, you need to know how to use this site. This is what I'm going to be teaching you today. Now the first thing we want to do right now is check the products. Now can you see, let's say you have a certain product in mind, like you are not interested in any of these products here. Let's say you have a certain product in mind. Now what you want to do now is come to this. Can you see here where it is search for money by image? just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load your file where you can pick a picture that you want. As for me, let's say maybe I want this, then you click on it. Let's see what it's going to bring. Okay, now that I clicked on a picture, it took me to this interface where it's going to show you all kind of products that relate to this product that you search. Now what you want to do now is you hover on this, you check and see. Can you see that it has a different prices on it? This one is 27 yuan, this one is let's see, this one is 24 yuan, 5.6 yuan. Can you see that it has a different kind of prices on it? But guys, I need to tell you, don't be deceived by this price. These prices are just deceptions. What you want to do is, whatever product you want to buy, make sure you click on it. Once you click on it and it takes you inside of the product, that is when you will know the price of the product that you want to buy. So once it loads, you will see all the information needed for you to be able to confirm if this product is a good to go product for you. Now can you see, you can check the videos here. These are the videos.
德力斯的挂脖蓝牙耳机 B7，让你自在运动，狂甩不掉。它采用的是颈挂式的设计，简约时尚的记忆弧形，释放后自动恢复原。
It has different pictures. You can just overhand. Can you see? This is where you will check the. This is where you can check the pictures. And here, let's start from the top. Can you see? You know, I'm going to treat a video on how you can identify a good product from a bad product. But in this video I won't be doing it. I will just show you all the interface needed for you to know what you are going to face when you need to buy a product for yourself. Now this is, can you see the reviews here? This is 5-star reviews. This is where you're going to check the reviews. It has 400 plus reviews. And this store, can you see where they wrote 100,000? This store has made over 100,000 transactions within a year. Now this is those information. This is what it means. Now can you see the wholesale price? It says 1 piece minimum order. That means you can order a piece, 1 piece from this store. You can order just 1 piece from this store. Now another thing you want to check is can you see the graph here? I think they are just they just impute this location, this interface, and it really makes sense. Can you see the trend of this product? Like, it is hot selling, very hot selling. This is how you know if product is a good one. This is a hot selling product. So another thing you want to check now is they run free shipping. That is 7 days, no reason return. Can you see there is a return shipping fee, 7 days, and their logistic, that means where their company is Guangzhou, Guangguan to Guangzhou. You know, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that is where most of the China's China's store is. So this is can you see, if you see here, you see 2.8 yuan. Yes, yuan. That means the shipping fee from their store to your own company shipping fee, they will charge you 2.8 yuan. So you might meet some store where it's going to say it's for free, like you are not going to charge any they are not going to charge you any money for them to ship your goods to your company address, but this store are running charges for it. Now, what other thing you want to know is there is a different kind of colors here. Can you see the last when we checked it on the interface before we clicked it, it was 4 point something yuan, but right now can you see that it is 5.58 yuan? So make sure you click, don't judge by the prices you see outside this product unless you click here and confirm by yourself. Now can you see this is they have red, black, black BR, red BR, B7, sorry, white B7 and white B7. If you click on it, it's going to show you. I think the difference from these I don't really know, but I think there will be a difference from it because the price are different. I think some might have a carton while some don't have a carton. I think that's just the difference. So what you want to do now is you can select any amount, any pieces you want from here. Can you see it's you can select if it's you want 1 black or 2 black or 50 black, just select any amount you want from here. It's going to load, and can you see you can select any amount, just see the prices here. Once you are selecting it, the prices are going to be changing. This is 132 yuan, you know, plus the shipping fee. The more you buy, I think the more the shipping fee to your company address is. And I want you to note that the more you buy the product, the lesser the fee will be. I mean the total product cost, it will be reduced. Let's say you want to buy for someone who wants to buy 10 maybe 20 products, and it's going to be paying, let's say, 200 yuan, and compared to the person that is buying 30 products, it's going to reduce maybe to 180 or 190 because of the discount. So the higher you buy, the more it favors you. So you should note that also. Now another thing you want to do is, after selecting it, the prices, the amount of goods you want to buy, you can just come down here to order now, or you add to cart. Means if you click on order now, that means you are not buying any other goods again except this one, so you just pay directly. But if you want to buy other goods except apart from this one, you click on add purchase cart, so that it's going to add to your cart, and you have other chances to go and add some other products to your cart. That is what it means. Now these are the product details. If you want to know more about the product, this is the details. The brand is Collins, this the function, call function support, Bluetooth protocol 5.0, how to use hair hook, single or double hair. These are just the product details for you to know about what you want to buy. Now the buyer reviews, you can see here, this is what the buyers have said about the company and the product. So you just feel free to check the reviews. If they are to your satisfactions, then you go ahead and have a deal with the buyer. This is the ordering instruction, transaction process, payment method. The buyer first chooses a payment method such as online banking and pays to Alipay. I will teach you everything on how to make payment, on how to, even if you don't have a bank account, I will teach you on how you can use someone else to pay for you and you get your goods. So this is, let's see other stuff that it's needed to be treated here. So I think these are just the main thing you need to know about buying and checking product from 1688 from company. Okay, so let's go back. This is we use search button, search image to check this product. Now let's say maybe you don't want to, you just want to buy directly from here. You don't have to use this search button, you don't have to use this search image. You can type whatever you want here. Let's say maybe shoe. Let's type on shoe, then you can just click on it, and I'm sure it's going to bring a lot of shoes for you to check about. Okay, can you see? This is tons of shoes that you can check on, whether you like it or not. Maybe you are just trying to survey the product and see what is best for you to pick. Now another thing you can do is you can come here, you'll see, oh, I think it has logged me out, I think it's service. So I think that is just the main thing needed for you to know on how to access 1688. So these are just the main thing you need. So in my next video I will be treating other things necessary for you to know on how to buy from 1688. How you can make payment, how you can chat with the suppliers. The videos will be coming to you because you don't know what you guys have done to me with these 100 subscribers that we just reached. I'm going to be giving you content back to back to back. I mean valuable content that you like, some content that it is you need to get with money, but here in this channel I will be giving you for free. I mean absolutely for free. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like it, make sure you share it. If you find any value in this video, please make sure you drop your comments, or if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I'll make sure I see you in the comment section. I will reply every comment. Thank you guys, and don't forget we are going to 500 subscribers. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.